Cultura, kids! Stories with values.
The story of the seed and the importance of biodiversity. Once upon a time, there was a small seed that lived in a garden. It was a happy seed, surrounded by other friends just like it. There were sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, corn seeds, and many more. Together they grew under the sun, receiving water and nutrients from the soil. One day, a gardener came to the garden and began to work. He planted new seeds and turned the soil to prepare it for sowing. The little seed became frightened when it saw everything changing and didn't know what was going to happen. But soon, the seed discovered that the gardener was planting more seeds like her, of different types and colors. There were red seeds, yellow seeds, green seeds, and many other shades. The little seed became excited to see so many new friends around. Over time, the seeds grew and became plants. The little seed grew into a tall and strong sunflower with a large yellow flower that shone under the sun. Her friends also grew, and together they formed a colorful and diverse garden. One day, the little seed heard a bee buzzing around her. The bee told her that she and her friends were visiting the garden to collect pollen and bring it back to their hive. The seed felt happy to be useful and to help the bees produce honey. But one day, a plague of insects invaded the garden and began eating the plant's leaves. The little seed grew scared when she saw her friends being attacked, but then she remembered something the gardener had told them. A diverse garden is more resistant to pests and diseases. So the seed decided she had to do something. She began releasing a chemical substance that repelled the insects, and soon all the sunflowers started doing the same. Together, they managed to protect the garden from the plague and save their friends. The little seed learned an important lesson that day. She discovered that diversity was not only beautiful, but also essential for the health and survival of the garden. And she decided she would always value and protect the biodiversity around her.
Cultura, kids! Enter Cultura, kids, and discover the best stories for children.